In this video, we will discuss about what is game defi. Game defi is a fusion of the words game and finance. It refers to play to earn blockchain games that offers economic incentives to players. The game defi ecosystem use cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, and blockchain technology to create a virtual gaming environment. Typical players can earn in-game rewards by completing tasks, betting other players, and progressing through the different game level. They can also transfer their assets outside of the game to trade on crypto exchanges and NFT marketplace. How does GameFi work? In GameFi, the reward can come in different forms, such as cryptocurrencies or in-game assets like virtual land, avatars, weapons, and customers. Each game defi product will adopt a different model and game economy. In most cases, the in-game assets are NFTs running on the blockchain, meaning they can be traded on NFT marketplace. In other case, however, the in-game assets needs to be converted into a NFT before players can trade on sell them. Typically, the in-game asset will provide certain benefits to the players, allowing them to make more rewards, but some games also feature avatars and cosmetics that are purely visual and have no impact on the gameplay and earnings. Depending on the game, players can earn rewards by completing tasks, betting with other players, or building monetized structures on their plot of land. Some games also let players generate passive income without playing the game, either through stacking or by leading their gaming assets to their players. Let's take a look at some of the common features in game defi. All the core of game defi projects we have play to earn as a revolutionary gaming mode. It is quite different from the pay-to-play model adopted by traditional video games. Play-to-play requires gamers to invest before they can start playing. For example, video games like Call of Duty need players to purchase licenses or recurring subscriptions. In most cases, traditional video games do not generate any financial returns to players, and their in-game assets are controlled and held by the gaming company. In contrast, P2E games can give players full control over their in-game assets, while also offering opportunities for them to make money. However, keep in mind that it all depends on the model and game design adopted by the GameFi projects. Blockchain technology can give players full control over their in-game asset, but that is not always the case. Make sure you understand how the game works and how is behind the project before getting into a P2E game. Another thing to note is that P2E games can be free to play and still generate financial rewards to players. But some GameFi projects require you to purchase NFTs or crypto assets before you can play. As such, It is always important to tour and evaluate the risk. If a P2E game requires a big investment to start and the rewards are small, you are more likely to lose your initial investment. One of the most popular play to earn game is Axie Infinity. It's an Ethereum based NFT coin game that has been growing in popularity since 2018. Games can use their NFT pets to earn SLP token by completing daily quests and battling other players. They can also get AXS rewards if they manage to achieve a certain PvP rank. Apart from buying and selling axes, player can lend their axes to other players, which gives honors and opportunities to earn without playing the game. The lending model is known as scholarship. It allows scholars to use the borrowed axes to play and earn rewards. In other words, Axie owners can make a passive income while scholars can play the game without making an assets investment. The earned rewards are split between scholars and Axis owners. As we discussed, blockchain technology allows to digital asset ownership, meaning that players can monetize their in-game assets in many different ways. Similar to video game, players can own avatars, pets, house weapons, tools, and much more. But in GameFi, these assets can be issued to create an NFT in the blockchain, also known as NFT minting. This allows players to have full control over their assets with authenticity and verifiable ownership. Some popular metaverse games such as Decentraland and Sandbox focus on the concept of land scholarship. They allow players to monetize their virtual land. In the Sandbox, games can purchase digital pieces of real estate and develop them and generate revenue. For instance, they can charge their player visiting their land, earn token rewards by hosting content and event, or rent their customized land to other players. Some GameFi project also offers DeFi products and features such as staking, liquidity, mining, and yield farming. Typical players can stake their in-game tokens to earn rewards, unlock exclusive items, or access new gaming level. Introducing DeFi elements can also make crypto gaming more decentralized, unlike traditional game studios that centralized control over their game updates. Some GameFi projects allow the community to participate in their discussion making process. They can propose and vote for further update via decentralized autonomous organization. For example, decentralized land player can vote on in-game and organizational politics by looking their governance token MANA in the DAO. The more tokens they lock to high their voting power, this allows gamers to communicate directly with game developers and influence the development of the game. Traditional video game players can also earn in-game currency and collect digital assets to upgrade their characters. Still, these tokens and items cannot be traded outside of the game. In most cases, they don't even carry any value beyond the scope of the game. Even when they do, players are often prohibited from monetizing or trading their assets in the real world. In blockchain games, the in-game tokens and assets are usually cryptocurrencies and NFTs. There are some blockchain games that use virtual tokens rather than crypto or NFTs, but players should still be able to convert their in-game assets into NFT if they wish. This means that gamers can transfer their earning to crypto wallets and trade their assets on crypto exchanges or NFT marketplace. They can then convert their crypto profits into fiat money too.